This video shows you how to get started with the InGame HR system. After you sign up and log in, start by adding a new game. Choose a game and save it. The game is not publicly visible. You will have to upgrade it to make it visible in the internet. Nevertheless, you can proceed with the game customization. Let's recruit general software developers and testers. You can customize just about everything in the game. When you are ready, you can test the game link. Now you are looking on InGame HR from the point of view of the job candidate. At the top, he chooses the profession. He enters his email address, name and agrees to the terms and conditions in order to start the game. In this example, we have a classic Space Invaders clone. The candidate will have to shoot the aliens down. If he fails, he can save his life by answering a question according to the profession he chose. The game continues until all lives are lost. The game link can be used in an online recruitment of any kind. The job candidate gets a fun and original way to interact with the recruiter. What the recruiter gets is a pre-rated list of job candidates together with all their answers and optionally a CV to follow up. The professions together with all the questions can be edited. The game itself and all the game elements can be changed in order to build up the employer's brand awareness. Welcome to InGame Hours.